Sorry, it is dark right now, and I don't want to get out my ring light and do all that, but I'm going to replace this bench with this ottoman thing, which is a little wonky. I just bought it at Home Goods, and they discounted it because it's like, I don't know, it's like a little off. But my husband measured it, and it was like a really good fit, and I think it'll be good until I can find like what I really want, or we make that into a closet, or we remodel the whole front of the house, or we just build a whole new one. So I don't know, there's a lot of things that could happen, but right now this is going to be better than that bench because I just don't care for that bench anymore. I'm over it, and I've been over it for like almost a year now, and I just haven't got a new one because I can't find one. And this was just at Home Goods, and I think it's gonna fit the spot perfectly. There'll be a little gap on the end, but the reason for it is everyone comes in and just throws their shoes. I got these 2 baskets to put under there so that I can put the shoes in, but they're full. So we're just gonna put the shoes in there. I mean, probably have to keep vacuuming it out. It'll probably have like grass in it, I don't know. But I can't take it anymore, so I can't take the shoes. I looked for a basket, but there's nowhere that I could put a basket. And plus, I don't want to look down into a basket of shoes. I don't want to see the shoes. No one's gonna put their shoes in there though. That's the thing. They're all still gonna throw their shoes here, but at least I can pick them all up and throw them in there. Bobby? Will you help me move this bench? I don't know what to do with it. I don't want to wait. Go ahead. Take these baskets. Oh, I almost bought small baskets just like this today for something else. I don't remember. Oh, I was gonna put the dog treats in it. I have all these dog treat jars, but I just don't want to empty the treats out and put them in there. I just like to keep them in their packaging. I know, it's not pretty, but I was gonna put them in a little container. Buddy? Hello. We'll see what this looks like. Should we sit this out on the front porch?
I don't know.
Yeah, I don't want it in here.
Yeah, baby. Oh shit.
Don't put a chunk in the wall. Why can't you move?
I'll take a chunk out of the wall. Why can't I move?
Yeah, I told you to look at that and you went,
I'm in a hurry, woman.
stop!
Stop.
Stop being in a stupid hurry. That's actually a cute porch bench.
Yeah.
Well, when I put this one in its spot. I'm hoping we won't notice the wonk. Let's not.
Ooh. 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 Told you to be tight. Come on, you big baby.
See, you can't tell that it's like wonky on the side, but you can right here. Yeah, see how that goes back? See how this kind of comes up and that goes back? That's what I said, like someone put it on there and it kind of went. And, oh, you can't. Yeah, it's gonna cut. See how that moves when you open it?
Yeah.
So that's the problem, whatever that is. Yeah, but that's why they gave me a discount. But you think it's just gonna break and fall apart?
Nah, you got it. Fill it up with shoes.
They're all your Crocs! Filled with Crocs and Hey Dudes. That's all it is, Crocs and Hey Dudes. The Croc and Hey Dude holder. Well, here we go. I got this. I think I'm gonna put this on the couch. Ooh, for fall. Okay. Ignore the fact that I have 100 pillows on this couch and a crooked piece of art testing right there. I'll show you why I have the art. I have a disaster. That usually hangs there, which I love. It's been there for a while. It's been in this room for several years, so I wanted to kind of try something else. And I still find that so beautiful. But with fall and winter approaching, I feel like it kind of clashes with my fall and winter decor. It's so very spring and summery. So that is why I bought this. And it is hanging up there crooked because I just stuck it on the nails. I don't know why they're crooked because I don't think the other one was. But it is the exact same size as that other painting, which is the main reason I bought it. And it has like a hint of that green color that's in the other painting. So, okay, let's address the blinds. They're all messed up because I just threw the curtains on. I hate those blinds. Really don't want the blinds, but there they are. I'm gonna have my husband take out, you know, like widen the rod. I don't like those curtains with the, I don't know, what do you call them? The grommets on the top. So I want to have him spread out the rod so that it will take up some more space so it's not bunched up on the window, and take those curtains down. And then I bought these curtains. Oh my gosh, look what just happened. If I had a different house with different windows, I wouldn't have these curtains. Okay. I don't know how they're even going to hang up there. These weigh a ton. I can barely lift them. I'd say, like, I feel like they weigh like 20 pounds. But I got these, and they're blackout, and I'm not sure about having blackout in here. But I guess we could just shut them at night and take the blinds down. They're very heavy, very nice quality. They are, what is that? Why is there... They are linen, Ralph Lauren, super nice. See what they say. Linen herringbone. Let's see. I don't know. They're not even linen. They're polyester. They're fake linen. And they were $70 a pack. Whatever. They were like 20 pounds. They're going to look better. Let's focus. Better than the curtains that I have up here. I got 3 sets. So maybe that will make this wall that I can't stand look a little nicer. I think I like the new curtains better. My husband wasn't so sure. I think he liked the other ones, but I was totally over the other ones. I don't like these windows at all.
I know I've mentioned it before, but I do have a plan drawn up where we could remove this wall and change the look of everything. But yeah, that's like a big ordeal. I don't know if that will ever happen, but I just struggle with this wall so much, and it's because of the windows. I know a lot of times people say to raise the rods. I would probably have to order some custom length curtains to do that, but I also don't know what I would think if I would like them actually touching the ceiling, because I do feel like there does need to be some bit of space there, and there's just about, I don't know, 6 inches away from the ceiling, so there's not a lot of room. I guess if my ceilings were taller, I would do that, but yeah, I think that maybe I should try and take the blinds down. Maybe that's what is bothering me a lot, so we'll see.
Quite odd, quite lovely. You start me up like no one has ever could. You feel my fire.
It is 1 o'clock in the morning, and I bought some shelf liner to put in here, because look at that. That is like rust stuff that come off my cookie sheet pans. So I'm just gonna try and clean it real quick, and I sprayed some of this in there. I let it sit, and I'm gonna use this magic eraser. Then I'm gonna go to bed, and I'll cut the liner in the morning. I'm sure it's got some chips in the paint. It's disgusting. It's the night before school, and I'm getting this stuff put in their backpacks because I've been so busy. This is the first. Oh, what is that? This is a weird backpack. They said they were small. They weren't lying. The other ones had 2 zippers. Weird. I thought it had 2 zippers. I didn't pay that close of attention. It'll be fine. So it should all be.
Like a light, lighting up in the dark. You make it right, I forgot how to act. It's so classic. Every time you make me nervous and I lose my words. It's been a while since I forgot the most simple words. I feel calm when you're around, like nothing can break me. Now I know why it never worked out before. High low, it would always turn out bad, so bad. But every time we start a fight, we always stop in time. We both know how to be gentle, never cross the line. I feel calm when you're around, like nothing can break me.
I'm wrapping up this video making a quick dinner. I make these golden or yellow potatoes. They're my favorite potato to cut up and put in foil. They are just so soft and delicious. On this day I was out of green onions, but I swear by the green onions. I chop them up and sprinkle them all over. They're not even as pretty without the green onions, but I made do without the green onions. And then I made some chicken thighs, which I rarely ever do, but I am so out of ideas of what to make for dinner. And this was just an easy recipe I saw with honey, balsamic vinegar, and thyme, and just mix it up as a glaze to cover the chicken and cook on 475 for about 25 minutes or so. It wasn't bad, but it was definitely just an easy dinner to throw in the oven. I just put some green beans on the stove and put the potatoes in the oven also, so it was a super quick and easy dinner. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I can't wait to make some more to share with you, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.